Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to request a refund for a DramaBox purchase on iPhone. So if you've accidentally purchased coins or a subscription through the DramaBox app, then the refund process depends on how the payment was made. If the purchase was billed through Apple's App Store, then you'll need to request the refund directly through Apple. For that, you need to open your browser and go to reportproblem.apple.com. Then sign in with Apple account you used to make the purchase. Then find the DramaBox purchase, select request a refund and choose the reason that best matches your situation. Then follow the instruction and submit your request. Apple will then review the request and notify you about the outcome. And if the payment was made directly through DramaBox rather than Apple, then you'll need to contact DramaBox support instead. And if you're trying to stop a recurring subscription, make sure you cancel it separately so you aren't charged again. So that was how to request a DramaBox refund on iPhone. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.